Yo, look at what we got today. Bro, it's blizzard. It's blizzard. It's blizzard. Bro, fuck, man, it's blizzard. Y'all help. Fuck, man. Y'all come save us in Colorado. We need some people to come out y'all with snow shovels and scrapers and salt to help us clear the roads. You heard me? They get me off today because the road's so bad. That's how you know it's bad. But guess who got to go to work?
I don't have to. I'm going though.
She a bag getter. See, that's a bag girl. That's a bag girl, nigga. She going to get that bag in this fucking blizzard.
Okay, you gotta turn the camera on because I gotta tell you my idea. And
Okay.
It's because of you.
Okay, boopity boop boop. So y'all heard her. I gotta get this idea. Don't go nowhere. Check these fucking check these fucking scenes out, buddy.
Again.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
We go get Kia ass up to call you.
No, I don't want no rest.
So I made it home safe. Drive safe. The winter storm blizzard ain't no fucking game. It ain't a joke. I just gave y'all a little tour, showed y'all a little bit of this fucking badass weather we got out here in Colorado. But if y'all running into that snow, drive safe, buddies. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. Become a bag member and tap in with your boy. I got more to come. I might even drop another video tonight. So hit the button.